In 2014, I had a bee chase me on podium. And that was like, in the moment it was embarrassing, but then it was kind of funny. I'm Simone Biles, I'm a world-class athlete, and I do gymnastics. A handful of Lego bricks. I don't know, it sounds like excitement to me, like a party in a box. There goes an eyeball. I feel like my motivation for the sport is to teach kids that, yes, you'll have your ups and downs, but it's how you go about it, and not every day will be easy, but you just have to push through to get to your goals. Nobody has a standard routine, but a Simone Biles routine usually has a lot of difficulty packed into it, with control, confidence, and grace. Yes, I've always been a rule breaker. Building the routines, I feel like, is kind of like Lego bricks. We can take skills out, put them back in, and nothing is right or wrong. It's just you using your imagination and your creativity to build whatever you want. If I could rebuild the world, what would I do? I've never been asked that question. I have no idea. I would say world peace, but I feel like you can't build that. Maybe something along the lines of plant more trees. My favorite color is purple, so I got a purple Lego brick and some eyeballs, and it's short, so there I am. Look how cute I am. Maybe I can put some little legs on her. Oh, maybe here's some arms. So I'm becoming creative right now. A triple double. 2 flips.
That is unbelievable.
Then I would twist 3 times.
She is the greatest of all time.
And she made it. Everything intact. Oh.